Hello guys, today I'm back with another video, and we are combining with, if I just get out of a tractor a minute, at the moment I'm corn carting, to show you a tractor quickly, and a trailer. So I've got the trailer there, and my dad's McCormick just here, so I'm only using this. We've got two others carting as well. We've got this person driving a class tractor, just up there. He's driven it all the way from Scotland up to here. We've also got our tractor driver and with our Green Marston trailer and the Valtra, and we've got the combine just behind this hedge here. You'll see in a minute when he comes around there. I'll just walk up there anyway now. This is the third field today. We've just done one right up there, just next to the gas tanks. This one just here. We've done the one next to it, and this is the third one. We've just got combine up here. Just try and get a little bit closer so I can show you the tractor there. You can just see we top a little bit of a header now, just there. At the moment he's using a Class Lexion 760 and a class 1050 header, I think it is. I'm not sure how many meters that is, I think it's about like 9 meters or something. We've got the combine just there with our tractor driver in the Valtra. And we are hoping we can get this one done tonight. I'm not sure if he's going to split this field into two, because this field is huge. It goes right up there near the word and comes back all the way right down here to the trees just here. I'm not sure if he will finish this tonight. I was speaking to him about 20 minutes ago. And obviously nipped down to our yard, where the sprayer is, to get our to fill up with some diesel. But he's just there, and he said to me, he is hoping to finish this field tonight. He's just there with a class just coming up behind him, behind him. I haven't actually had a ride in this combine yet because I've been corn carting. We've done the first field we did was barley, and the next one was was wheat, and this one's barley as well. That's it. We'll probably be going tomorrow as well. I'm sorry. So I might try and get another video for you guys tomorrow as well. Got combine just there. If I can, I'll try and get a video now of him unloading into the tractor. I'm not sure how full he is though. He hasn't stuck his beacons on yet. I don't think he's really full yet. I'm just going to go up here. I'm going to get covered in dust. Just not very pleasant. Let's go to the tractor. But yeah, so far, we've been tipping crops in two different sheds, and one of our biggest shed in that one, in our biggest shed, and we've been tipping in wheat, and then in our new combine, as we call it, when we were tipping in barley in there. Just see me up there. So yeah, there's the combine just up there. It looks like he's going to get a load. I'll just open the door quickly. Don't just open the door, you can just see your combine, don't just get out in it. Go. So should be taking a load in a minute. Got a class without just there. And I'm driving the old McCormick. It's easy to track this, to be fair, because I'm quite light. When I reverse, in order to push the pedals down, I have to come off. from the office seat and because I'm on a tool and I've got a light, so the tractor will knock itself out of gear, so it's been a pain to put back into gear. I draw this thing back to, so I stay with it forward, I put it back into neutral and put this into gear, and at the moment, I'll just do that, at the moment it's in third gear, but yeah, I have to keep pushing it back into first, and so I go in first gear when I reverse, because it's nice and slow, and this is my first year corn carting. At the moment, I'm enjoying it. So guys, yeah, I'm not sure where he's going to unload. I don't think in this video you get to see him unload. I'm gonna take a load from the combine, but I'll probably do another video tomorrow. If we do get combining tomorrow, so if we do, I'll try and get a good video of him doing it tomorrow. Just get combine up there, and guys, I'll probably see you tomorrow. Hope you enjoy the video. If there's anything I can improve it to, please leave it in the comments. So I can read the comments and have a look at what I can improve on. At the moment I can't edit videos because I haven't really got number one, because I haven't really got time, and I haven't got enough money at the moment to buy editing softwares to edit them. So at the moment I'm just filming videos on my phone, and loading them straight to YouTube. I think he might be actually coming to take a load now. It's just like his beacon's on. So just there. So you might be able to see him unload in this video. Not sure if you. I might just wait a few minutes. He might even take a load from the corner. Yeah, he's going to go and take a load now. So I'll just film him taking a load from the combine. You might be able to see it just there. He's going to take a load, just lean over there. So just there. And he'll be full in a minute. I tried to drive his trailer. I can have 2 loads, I say 2 loads. You can hold about on one load, about 3/4 of a load, half a load. So you can hold around about 2 loads. Tractor there, he's nearly full, so he'll be racing down to the shed to unload it in our new combine. So he'll be there, just be there in a minute, and he's taking load, and he's now holding the header back in. I'm just gonna wait here because the guy in the class, I think his name is Andy, I'm pretty sure it is. He's gonna run down to the combine and take a load from the combine. Will in the combine, he'll probably get down all the way to here without being full, and he'll probably come and load him, because Andy's got a bigger trailer on his. He's got an 18-ton grain trailer, and he can hold he can hold 2 loads in his combine. He's just racing down behind Will now, and I'll just wait here. I'm waiting for a load. I would get a load of me reversing into a barn, or they're taking a load from the combine. Unfortunately, it's a bit awkward though, because in the tractor I haven't got a phone holder, so it's quite hard to hold my phone and while trying to reverse and bring the accelerator, which is this orange lever just here, and bring that down enough from which bit of the trailer I want to fill. If I can somehow get hold of a phone holder before we go combining sometime, I'll try and get and give you guys a video of me taking a load from combine. Okay guys, that's gonna be it today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. It'll probably be tomorrow. I'll see you guys.